Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting what you need and opening OneNote, sign in so syncing works. Next, decide the planner scope, daily, weekly, project, or hybrid, because structure guides templates. Create a notebook named Planner, then add sections, inbox, calendar, projects. Once done, make a page template for quick entries, include title, tags line, and quick links. Don't waste time on cosmetic choices, set core sections, and a template now so future steps plug in cleanly. Now you build the planner's backbone, templates and tagging. Create a daily template with schedule blocks, a weekly review layout, and project pages with milestones and tasks. This standardizes capture and review. Then configure tags, priority, to-do, waiting, idea, and apply them uniformly so filters work later. Use tables for time blocks and checklists for action items. Link sub-project pages to maintain navigation. Once templates exist, duplicate rather than recreate pages. It saves minutes every day and prevents drift. Finish by creating recurring review habits and ensuring reliability. Schedule a daily inbox processing step and a weekly planning session inside your planner. Add checklists to both so you follow through. Enable automatic sync and pin essential pages for quick access, and back up the notebook periodically as A1 PKG or export key pages to PDF. If sync fails, first check your Microsoft account and storage limits, then network. Force a manual sync, and, if necessary, rebuild the OneNote cache to recover missing pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.